Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai has written to Bhupendra Yadav, who is the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, to call upon an urgent meeting with all the stakeholders in order to evaluate cloud seeding to combat Delhi's winter air pollution and secure necessary permissions. Delhi's air pollution is a severe health crisis, potentially cutting life expectancy by up to 12 years due to high PM 2.5 levels. Despite a 19.3% reduction in particulate pollution in 2022, more than 40% of India's population lives in areas exceeding national air quality standards. Delhi's air quality remains critically low, demanding urgent action. But now our political war of words is being escalated. My colleague Shreya Ghosh will also be joining me for more details on this. Shreya, we see every year how pollution claims lives, and now political war of words is just escalating with the Delhi government trying to put onus on centre that an urgent meeting should be convened. Take us through the latest.
That's right. So Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai has requested the central government to hold a meeting to approve this plan of cloud seeding, which is to artificially induce rain that would wash out the atmospheric pollutants, thereby reducing the air pollution levels. Because we know Delhiites, in a matter of 2 to 3 weeks from now, Delhiites will begin to experience the severely poor quality of air because of the high smog levels and the low wind speeds, which of course leads to extreme cases of health risks and also environmental degradation. So Gopal Rai has suggested cloud seeding or artificial rain to be a constructive solution to combat the air pollution in the national capital. But at the same time, he has requested the government of India agencies, the different agencies, to come together, the other important stakeholders, including the IMD experts, the climate change experts, to come together, hold a meeting, and to find out if artificial rain can be a conducive solution to combat air pollution in the national capital. And he has also mentioned that this year the parali burning or the stubble burning will be coinciding with Deepavali, the Hindu festival, wherein these firecrackers are burnt, and if it is coinciding with the stubble burning, it can worsen the air quality. And that is why he has recommended that cloud seeding can be a scientific way to combat air pollution in the national capital.